Hello guys, it's Ryan Ho back with another video. Today we're going to talk about two screen protectors that you can use to protect your phone. One of them is a privacy screen protector, another one is a tempered glass, and they both have this kind of really easy installation method where they actually have this built-in kind of loading tray that is really easy to use. So I'll show you guys how easy it is. And we'll also talk about other things that I've learned about protecting your phone, such as, did you know clear cases are they don't actually stay clear. They get yellow because of UV radiation. So the second that, the sun is hitting it, it's basically yellowing it over time. I probably bought over 5 of these by now and they've always yellowed. I always thought they got dirty, but it's actually just UV causing it to change color. So you're pretty much always gonna have to buy a new one. There was even a company that tried to do one that was anti-yellowing. They all say anti-yellowing, but they all get yellow anyways. But anyways, we're going to talk about these two screens. So the interesting thing about a privacy screen that I've actually never even knew about is that privacy screens are actually kind of, they're a little bit darker, right? So they actually cut light. So your screen actually doesn't get as bright, but I don't think people really care about that as much if you're just using this for privacy. But there's definitely some downsides about it that I've noticed. The other thing is I feel like the durability is not as good as a tempered glass, because the tempered glass really, haven't really cracked them, to be honest. Well, I've cracked them like if I really threw it hard, but this one I feel like the tempered glass really just kind of scratches a little easier than I thought. That's another thing I noticed about the tempered glass. And then the third thing about tempered glass is like there's a whole entire thing about viewing angles, right? Like if I turn this, it gets darker, right? Which is the whole point of a privacy filter. When people talk about like great screens, OLED screens, they want like the best viewing angles possible, right? So you can view on the side and everything like that. And well, you don't really get that with a privacy screen. But even then, I feel like the legibility and the resolution of the whole entire thing is just harder to read, honestly. I think for people who don't want people peeping on their stuff, they probably will overlook that. But honestly, in my experience, I really do like a tempered glass protector way better than privacy protector. I feel like the privacy protector really is like a lot of downsides. And the other interesting thing about a privacy protector is there's actually even a hole cut out for the camera above, because simply the camera actually, for facial recognition gets kind of blocked by that kind of faded light. So they actually have a punched out hole so that doesn't happen. Anyways, those are some interesting facts that you probably didn't know and I didn't know until I used one of these. Let's talk about these loading trays. So these loading trays are honestly really easy. Essentially, they have a tray above it, which you basically have a film, so it's all protected. So the second you pull that off, your screen is just nice and clean. And then the real trick is the kind of under the glass, they actually have a whole entire pulling mechanism. So essentially, you just pull the tab after cleaning the top of your phone, and it will adhere the kind of tray onto your phone. And basically, you just pull the tab, and then it will actually take the plastic film off, and then the tempered glass will just go down on top of your phone. And then really, there's almost no way the dust can get in, and you basically got a really perfect phone and setup, and it's all aligned and everything too. So really, it's a really easy method, and that's kind of honestly the coolest thing I've seen so far with this one. So I do think that is probably one of the biggest reasons someone would be looking for this, just because honestly putting on a tempered glass without a loading tray is slightly a frustrating experience if you don't know how to do it well. And then they also come with multiple items inside where they'll give you, microfiber cloths, you have some alcohol wipes to wipe it off and clean it. Everything you need to clean your phone, and then, apply your tempered glass nice and cleanly. The other thing they actually sent me to review is this camera lens protector. Now, the camera lens protector is interesting because camera lenses are they apparently for iPhones they have like some type of sapphire material on there, so they're a little bit more durable than your standard glass. However, if you're really worried about it, then a lens protector would be something you can apply. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't think I've had that ever an issue with it scratching for me personally. However, I did apply it on there, and now I have to not ever worry about it scratching. But if you're interested, we also have that lens protector here, and it's simply just adhesive that kind of sticks on the back of your phone. You just kind of put it on there and apply it, and yeah, it's done. So if you guys are looking for these accessories to protect your phone, I'll leave a link down below. These are done by Weskin mostly. For these, they sent me out the privacy screen, the tempered glass, and the lens protector. Honestly, like, you know, not shilling the kind of privacy protector, I didn't really enjoy it that much. Like I said, I don't think the durability is that great. The image quality isn't that great. Obviously, it's not made for that, but for me, having used it the first time, I don't think I ever would want to use a privacy screen, to be honest. If you are looking for one, it does work well. And if you're looking for something that's actually sturdy and, you know, preserve a good image quality, I would go with the tempered glass. Anyways, I hope this video helped you guys. Please like and subscribe down below. Helps my videos out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.